going. I can't tell. Yeah, it's going. Okay. I think. Okay. What's up, everybody? I'm sorry about that. If you guys saw that, I'll figure out at the end of this if I did record this. Anyways, I will be doing the. Wait, what will I be doing? Blindfolded slime challenge. Meaning he is going to be organizing. Well, not technically organizing, but switching up everything, and whatever I touch first is whatever I'm going to use first. Meaning he can mess up everything, even my spoon, my bowl, and my activator, if he wants to, and I have everything over there except for probably saw my Chromebook. Can you shut my Chromebook?
Trying to do what with it?
Shut my Chromebook.
Start it.
Shut it. And you can start to organizing, and you guys can see what to grab, and then I'll have him. Are you putting them in places?
Do what?
You putting them in places? I can't see anything.
I know. Yeah. Good. You're not supposed to.
That's why it's called blindfolded.
You want me to put them on you different?
What?
You want me to put them on you different?
No. Just fix those all around.
Okay.
But you can't move my bowl. That's the one thing you can't move. You can move everything else, including my spoon. I don't want to knock this over. My activator. This has a lot of water in it. My activator. You can move anything. You can move anything except for my bowl.
Okay.
You moved my spoon. I can hear it.
Okay. It's all moved.
Okay. Can you set the camera?
Start it.
Oh, it's already started. Can you set the camera like over there? Somewhere? No. Like in front of me. I don't know if I should go in front of me or.
Won't this shut off in 60 seconds?
No. Where did it scrap? I just touched the side. I think. I don't know. I can't tell. Wait. I gotta check out the top entirely. I'm not going to use all of it, but I'm going to use most of it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Really? Did I get black or... Okay, you can't tell me.
You just used all of it.
You can't tell me what color it is. Okay. Did you take away the other glue?
Yep.
Okay. Did you put it off to the side where I can't reach it?
Yep.
Okay. Where's the lid? Okay, I just threw it.
Be careful, this is dripping.
I know, I'm trying to get it all out. Do I have it all out?
That's strange. Be careful.
Did I just hit the bottom of the bowl?
Okay, put the lid on, quick.
But I just touched it.
Oh my God, she touched it.
Kenny, really?
Oh, a big glob.
I can't see what I'm doing! Did I grab glue first? Wait, I got the blue, didn't I?
Maybe.
Because I can't feel the things on the side.
Little ripples.
Yep. And I wonder what it's gonna look like. Okay,
Well, that color's pretty. Kind of
where are you?
I'm over here. Oh, there's still some in there.
Okay, so the next thing, like, you know those beads and the glitter? If I grab the beads or the glitter, take away the other, whatever one I grabbed.
Okay, but you'll be able to know.
I'm scared.
You already got glitter.
Crap, I touched the glitter, didn't I? What color was it?
I wouldn't use very much.
I'm not gonna use a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that'll be pretty in there.
Yeah, it should be. Isn't it purple? Or is it like pink?
Purple and yeah.
Okay, wait, what is the ingredient?
You might want to mix that first.
You're gonna have to turn on my Chromebook. Put up my Chromebook.
Okay. That's the password.
I know. First letter of my first name, lowercase.
Okay.
First letter of my last name, lowercase.
Okay.
507403.
Who?
507403. There's no spaces. And then press enter. Press enter.
Where the mouse is at?
Enter!
Oh.
On the,
Got it.
this side. Okay. You know, it might say share.
Yeah.
Press share and then go to the bottom. I think it's bottom right.
Hit share.
Yeah, hit share.
Bottom right, it says you are starting.
Okay, here. I'm gonna turn this way and hand you my Chromebook. Hey. Okay, so Elmer's glue and he finds teaspoon because wait. What all did you put here?
What?
What all did you put here?
The glitter, I got the blue. I got
Oh,
the
did you
black.
take away the beads?
No, I will.
Take them away.
Okay.
They're right here.
Yeah.
Because I heard them come over from over.
Yeah. We
I
got
just
the
put my hands
borax,
in what?
the baking soda, and the activator.
All I need is baking soda, so take away the borax.
Oh, you don't use both?
Nope.
Okay.
Can you grab a teaspoon?
What?
Can you grab a teaspoon?
Teaspoon?
Depending on if I grab activator or borax first. I mean, not borax, baking soda.
Actually, we can use.
I can't tell. I'm not going to cook anything because I don't know. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I don't not want to.
Half a teaspoon. Just a big one. What are you doing?
I'm trying to set my Chromebook.
I'll get it, baby.
Okay, it's right here. Okay, now you can tell me what's on there.
Here's a teaspoon, and it's the big one.
This one?
Yep. You gotta stir that first to mix the purple up before you put the stuff on it.
No touch. Oh, spoon.
Whip it real good. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah.
Can you give me the glitter? Cause
Yeah, a
you're
little
saying
bit. Kind of highlights it. You want me to pour a little bit more in?
yeah, just like a little bit. Here, pour it in.
There you go.
Okay, that's good. I can't tell what you're doing. So I don't know how much you poured in and how much you didn't.
Well, you don't want to take away from the glitter that's already in there. This just kind of highlights it, and it does. It looks really good.
Okay, so I'm gonna find if I
What are you looking
can
for?
touch something. What did I touch? It's just my bowl. Okay, this is my bowl, right?
Like your bowl.
Okay, found the bowl. So did my arm touch the activator, I think?
How much do you need?
Teaspoon.
Okay.
Both half a teaspoon, so
That's the big one.
which one's half a teaspoon?
Half?
Huh.
That one. What you want to do is dip it down in there and scrape it along this lip.
Along what?
Right along. Yeah. Right along there. That gives you an even measurement.
Is this my bowl? I can't tell what I'm doing.
Yep. That was it.
I can't tell if I got it all in. Did I?
You got it. Yeah,
Okay.
you did.
My spoon's still in here. Yes, it is. Okay, got it. Now time to stir, and then I'll need activator. Can you
Wait a minute, the camera fell.
move this?
Oh,
Rubbed it. Okay. That's what I have so far. I don't know if I should start it anywhere.
that looks good.
Is it gonna stand up? Okay, there. Did it stand up? I
Yeah.
don't know if it's tall or not.
Keep
Okay.
stirring along the sides.
Along the side?
Yeah, there you go.
What?
There's some of them got up on the sides.
Okay. I need activator. This is way too sticky.
Activate. How much you gotta get put in there?
I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time until it starts getting sticky. So, okay, that stopped getting sticky real fast. That activated real fast.
Let's still stir it some more. You got a lot of loose water in the bottom.
That activated real fast. It's still a little sticky, isn't it? Yeah, that's still a little sticky. See?
It's a little watery. Whip it real hard. Or fast.
It's watery, but it's also very sticky, so I need to... One second. I don't want to get on my shirt.
Does it need more baking soda?
It needs more activator.
Oh. Oh, that's a lot. Want me to pour some out?
Shh, no. I should get a bunch of oil in my hand. You're supposed to have... Okay, it's not supposed to be this liquidy, is it?
And it's get no.
Is it liquidy?
Yeah, it's really liquidy.
Like really, really liquidy, or...
It's runny.
It's still sticky.
And it's soapy looking.
It's sticky.
Well, it's got bubble.
It's sticky. So that means it's not ready. I just need to keep stirring.
I would put a little bit more, since you put so much water, a little bit more baking soda, and that'll...
You didn't take it away. Can I have half? Actually, 1/4. If
That'd be
there.
the next one.
This one?
Yeah.
Which one?
Let me see. Go scraping along there. Yeah, perfect. Wow. That's pretty good. Got it.
Yeah, I did. I got it all, didn't I?
You got it all. You always do.
We may be making slime wrong. I'm not sure. That's how we made it last time.
Ooh, looking better. Not so bubbly. Still got it running.
Yeah, it's really sticky because of how when I take it out, whenever I'm done stirring, I just got some of it on my finger.
Want to put a little? I wouldn't put no more water.
It's activator. I need more, but not a lot. There you go.
Because that'll make it moist.
It'll make it so it won't be sticky. It'll make it so it's like playable and it won't stick to your hand as you're playing. Did I just get it on my hand?
It can go.
Get it off. I don't want glitter all over my hands. Wait. Turn off the lights. Is it glow in the dark? It's glow in the dark. Turn off the lights real fast. I can't see anything. It's already dark, so. You guys will see it glow in the dark. Maybe.
I don't see it glowing. A little bit.
So far it's not glowing. I don't know why. Maybe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yep, a little bit. I don't like you with that.
Kenny, I don't want to place this thing. Drop it. I'm sorry, guys. I can't anything. I just need to add more activator here in a second. Let me just put on my flip flops. I'm stirring it. Can't tell.
Need more water.
Tell me when to stop pouring. Did I add a lot or a little? What?
Medium. I would think that would keep it liquidy.
No, it actually activates it. Look. See how it's like liquidy now?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be that way. It's supposed to be like... I'm just swirling it around. This is too...
Ooh, that's a lot.
So, it's supposed to be liquidy. It's supposed to be where... Okay, it's still sticky. Did I just hit my activator? I swear I just hit something with my elbow.
I moved it.
The question is where? Is it still sticky? Yep. Need more activator. Oh, there's the bubble. The bubble
How'd you see a bubble?
is because I felt it.
Oh.
I felt it when I was going like this. Like when I was stirring it, I accidentally did this to feel it, and it's getting all over my hands. It's getting all over my hands. It's getting all over my hands now! Can I have the activator? Thank you. It's like literally pushing it 25 feet away from me. Pull this down a little bit more. I like how I'm just lifting my bowl casually. Ah! All over my hands. You want to feel it? What? Want to feel it? See how it's sticky?
A little bit.
It's not supposed to be that way. It's supposed to be like where it won't. Stick your hand. This has hurt my finger. Just stir this. How much time has that gone?
17 minutes and 59 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I need 20 minutes. Just kidding. It'd be good for 20 minutes because this is a cool video, I think. I don't know. I can't pause it, so I would. So it'd make the process faster, but just so you guys see everything I'm doing. But I can't pause it, so. Is this still sticky? Oh my gosh, it is.
Because it's getting stickier.
It's because I can't need more activator. You gonna tell me when to stop?
Oh, yeah, I won't stop. Oh, wow. You want me to say stop? The last time you didn't.
This seems really watery, by the way.
Yeah. I think you need to add some. Can we pour a little bit in?
Pour a little bit of what?
Baking soda or borax?
Wait. Look at the ingredients.
Because it is really runny. It's like soup.
Ooh.
Here, let me pour some of that. Baking
Really?
soda.
Wait. I mean, it's not getting sticky anymore, so, can you give me a paper towel or something?
Like a towel.
Yeah. Because we don't have any paper towels. Where are you going? I can't see you. Which way am I facing? Am I facing the wall or am I facing the, oven? Jacob. Dang. By the way, guys, that yelling is my brother. Don't mind him. Whoa, this is way too runny. Thanks. Can you give me the borax?
Borax.
No, oh wait. Oh, this is borax.
You don't want borax?
Oh, I could use some, I think. I don't know. I'm just guessing right now.
I would just pour a little bit in there.
Is this? What is this?
That is,
Borax activates
borax.
fast. What's the smallest? Okay, so smallest is right here. I would only do a little bit. Because you're supposed to mix borax with water. But,
Not even very much.
it isn't? You just, there you go.
Sprinkle it all around. Okay, you got it.
Actually, here, I'm gonna,
Oh,
I heard you move it away from me. How dare you?
Oh, that was a chunk. You don't get that in there. Oh, a little bit.
Adding more and more. Go this that way. Ooh. Oh.
Now you gotta mix real good.
Oh. Oh. This feels weird.
It's like really ready.
Okay, stir this real fast. Like, just stir it once. Doesn't it feel weird? You're stirring it like 5 million times. There is?
Yeah,
Where?
right there.
What is that?
I think it was a chunk of soap.
Hmm.
You can mix it real good. Here, you want me to chop it up?
Yep. I ain't good at this, guys. I'm sorry. I can't make slime. I made slime before, but that was my first time, so
Yeah,
I can't breathe! Why did I just touch almost on my pants? Oh. Kenny. This is part of it. A while ago.
well, it's still real running.
Can I feel it?
Way too much water.
Can I feel it? Can you hear me the black?
What?
Can you hear me the black?
Block.
Because we're about to make this huge. Well, I'm about to pour a little bit in it. Ooh. Yeah, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Okay, let's just do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Just gonna go slowly. Fast. Slowly. We don't need a lot of black, but we need more blue. Don't ask, viewers. Don't ask. How long has it been on the timer? Well, not on the timer, but...
23 minutes and 59 seconds.
Dang.
24 minutes.
Dang.
Yeah, try that.
Can you put this somewhere? Oh, you're over here. Die. I'm sorry, it was me just a few seconds ago. So maybe this looks good after.
Looks like marble.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I take off my blindfold since I'm stirring?
That's just making it dark.
Can I take off my blindfold?
Oh, yeah.
Well, but it's been a full challenge. What color is it?
Getting lumps in it for some reason.
Borax.
Yeah.
Dissolve in water. Take this. Put it away. Wait, is that a clump that actually... Oh! The hell?
You don't believe this so fine.
Oh my god. The the hell is inside of this? Okay, take the spoon. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Okay, can you, like, give me a spoon so I can, like, take all the rest off
Let
of
me
it?
scoop this in there. Move
Here,
your
I'm
hands.
gonna scoop it. Ready? Do I scoop it all?
Pretty much.
Fine. Okay. Can you put a lot more borax in here? Like,
Borax or
yeah.
baking soda?
Borax. Like 5 teaspoons.
Alright, move your hands. Break that chunk up.
Did you just pour it in here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, there it goes. It's starting to activate. Oh my god, what the? Oh. Look at this. It's starting to get on my hand.
Squeeze it.
Do you see that?
Yep. Because I see a lot of white.
Oh, pour more in. Pour more in.
Squeeze it hard.
Pour more in. Pour more in.
Move your hands.
What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what am I touching? Ah!
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Okay. This is a YouTube video.
You
Kid
believe what
friendly.
this stuff feels like on my hands?
Don't. I just got some all the way up my hand. Take that off. Feel this. Look at me.
Yeah, you need to. That's the soap. You have to turn it in. I think we just wasted about $10. Like, turn it inside out. There you go. Now stick it back down in there and squeeze it. Yeah.
Can I wash my hands?
Well, I don't care.
And then we'll maybe do another video, but on the black.
You're a big girl. You can do what you want to do.
Hey, pause the video. Well, cut the video. Bye, guys.